Hey, Rob Haynes with Garmin here, and I've got 5 reasons why you should want to check out our new JL Audio SLAMPAK for the 2019 through 2024 Razor Pro models. So check it out. Reason number 1, factory aesthetics. The SLAMPAK for the Razor Pro models looks like it came from the factory. Vehicle-specific enclosures with rugged grills look like they were installed by Polaris. Even the dash kit for the Media Master MM55 beautifully blends into the dashboard with LED accent lighting, giving you that factory look with premier JL audio sound and performance. Reason number 2, vehicle specific. The SLAMPAK is not just a generic kit. Since this is vehicle specific for the 2019 to 2024 Razor Pro models, this allows us to have vehicle specific enclosures that mount using either existing mounting locations or where there's holes where hardware can be mounted. So no holes need to be drilled. It looks like it came from the factory with the rugged grills and aesthetics, the Media Master dash kit on the MM55 and the built-in LED accent lighting looks factory. And it even allows us to optimize a DSP profile on the MM55 for the M6 or M3 speakers to make sure they sound their absolute best in these Razor applications. Reason number 3, works with or without ride command. Now, one thing we found is some Razor Pro models come with the factory ride command source unit and some do not. So don't worry, we have you covered. If your vehicle does have the factory ride command, we have a kit that includes an OEM interface. This allows us to tie into the ride command factory source unit and give us the necessary outputs to feed signal to the 2 pairs of MX amplifiers that come with the SLAMPAK. If your vehicle does not have the factory ride command, then we also have 2 kits available with our Media Master MM55 source unit. And this is not just any regular Media Master MM55. This is a special one that's specific for the SLAMPAKs. And each one has a DSP profile that's optimized to get the best performance out of either the M6 or the M3 packages. Reason number 4, designed for the elements. We know when you guys are out with your UTVs, you're doing crazy stuff with them. You're driving through snow, mud, dirt, rain, you name it. So the SLAMPAK definitely needed to be ready for the elements. We use our top-of-the-line M6 and M3 marine speakers, which go through extensive environmental testing at our Miramar, Florida facility. IPX7 rated, watertight MX amplifiers that can be submerged. Deutsch-style connectors to make sure your connections stay watertight. And stainless steel hardware to make sure there's no unwanted corrosion or rust where we're mounting all of the audio components in your vehicle. Reason number 5, premier audio performance. As expected with any JL audio products, you're going to get top of the line premier performance, whether you're in the M6 or the M3 package. Over 1,000 watts of power with the 2 MX amplifiers, premier industry leading marine coaxial grade speakers, an extra pair of silk dome tweeters to help with high frequencies when you got your helmet on. And of course, on the Media Master versions of the SLAMPAK, custom DSP profiles for either M6 or M3 to make sure you're getting the best possible sound. So there you go, guys. 5 amazing reasons to check out the new SLAMPAK for the 2019 to 2024 Razor Pro models. For more information, visit jlaudio.com, and thanks for watching.